Hello everybody, today I'm at the Citylink Mall. I just came out from the CTO MRT. I'm walking towards Suntec City, joining for this little tour, man. Today is Saturday, 4 p.m. On my way to Suntec City to see the cosplay event, and also there's a Citylink food fair, halal one. So really excited right now. Actually, I'm hungry already. Just thinking of all those food. So this Citylink Mall is quite modern, you know. You have lots of stuff here. The milkshake ice cream and lots of restaurants and shopping experience as well. We have different kinds of food here, from Thai food, Sap Thai. We have that China food. Also, I saw there's a free flow zone, kind of buffet. 7-Eleven as well. Bakery. And even they sell the shoes here, BMK. Poppin. And Swanler. I think they bought their clothes. I mean, they imported from China or Vietnam or wherever, Malaysia, and come here and sell. I just came up on the escalator, and on the right side there's a True Fitness gym here. I mean, anytime fitness, 24 hours. Yora is quite big. It's a wild cow restaurant, and a wild fish. It looks quite interesting, And Vietnamese food as well. Rice banh mi, Vietnamese very quick. Dunkin' coffee for those who love coffee. Quite a posh cafe here. Okay, I'm reaching Suntec City soon. Just follow this path, and yeah, about a few more minutes. Actually, in this way, I mean, you can link to many areas, not just the City Hall, Suntec City. You can link to the Nico Highway, and you can walk to Esplanade from here. And I think I just saw Marina Square on the right side. And there's another to Raffles City and War Memorial Park. Hey, congrats, you made it to Suntec City. Alright, this is the Suntec City. Lots of people and very bustling today, weekend. You can find almost anything here. I think you can find like 90% of your needs here for shopping. Restaurants and food and shopping. There's even the Don Don Donkey right here.